afternoon. My name is Ayush. I am from grade 10. Today I am going to explain you all about our project, which is based upon 5 elements of nature. The 5 elements of nature are earth, water, fire, air and space. These all elements are used in our nature. So today I am going to say their importance and their functions. Every element has their own functions and their characteristics. The knowledge of all the 5 elements help us to understand the laws of nature, and it uses to attain happiness, health, power, wisdom and knowledge. Let me begin with the first topic, that is Earth. Earth is also known as Bhumi according to Hindu mythology. Earth is not just a soil, but it's everything in the nature that is in the solid form. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where the life exists. There are many, now we have seen some positivities, now we are going to see some natural disasters related to Earth. There are many natural disasters, but here we can see the natural disasters are forest fire and earthquake. Moving on to the next topic, that is water. Water is the most important and the significant element which is present only on the earth. It is required by all the living organisms for their survival. If there will be no water, then there will be no living organisms. Here waterfall is represented as a water resource and tsunami is represented as a natural disaster. Now my friend Saitija is going to explain you all for this.
Good morning. As my friend explained about earth and water, I would like to continue with fire. We all know fire is an important and essential form of energy. We all know that fire was invented when man rubbed two stones with each other. It produced fire sparkle. Then after, man started using it for cooking. One of the disasters we represented here is volcanic eruption, and also another disaster linked to it is forest fires, which is formed when fire is passed through air. Let's move to other element, that is air. Air is one of the important and essential element for human survival. As air is transparent, we shown in the form of windmills and people breathing air. We use mainly air for breathing process, that is intake of oxygen and also exhale of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is taken by plants and also they release oxygen. One of the disasters shown here is tornado. Now I would like to pass to Mr.
I am from grade 10. As my friends explained about earth, water, fire and air, I would like to continue with the last element, which is space. Space is a place where everything happens. Space where we have planets, sun, asteroids, Milky Way galaxy, so on. Space is the last element, but in which all the 4 elements exist. Even Earth is also a planet in the solar system. According to Hindu mythology, all these 5 elements together we call them as Panchbhutas. Now I would like to tell how these 5 elements related to human body. The body structure of human is made up of these 5 elements. According to yoga, each element corresponds to each finger. The thumb finger represents fire, the index finger represents air, the middle finger represents space, the ring finger represents earth, and the little finger represents water. Hence we need to maintain stability of these 5 elements to interact with the nature. Our human body consists of these 5 elements like 72% of water, 12% of earth, 6% of air, 4% of fire and 6% of space. Thank you. This is all about the space and how these 5 elements related to human body. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.